Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. In this session is on cladding materials. This session is session 9 from Unit 3, that is processed construction materials. In this session, we will be knowing about this, what is this cladding, and then what is this terracotta cladding. Coming to the definition of cladding. The term cladding refers to the components that are attached to the primary structure of a building to form a non-structural or external surface. The cladding is the exterior skin or the envelope of a building, which includes all moisture barriers and siding materials which is used to cover the outside of the structure. You might have seen this in all the structures. The cladding is totally the exterior skin of a building. The cladding refers to the external layer of the building, which provides the aesthetic effect, which proves to be a good looking appearance. Apart from this external appearance of the building, the main use of cladding is to protect the building structure from the weather in one of the following ways. What is that is how this cladding protects the building from any other reason is the cladding is made of impermeable materials. The cladding is made of impermeable materials so that the rainwater could not enter the building through the joints. The rainwater will not have an access into the building through the joints. However, properly designed joints with sealant could completely keep out the rain infiltration. If the cladding is not properly designed, if the joints are not sealed with completely sealant, what will happen? The rainwater even enter into the building through the improper designing or the loose leaky joints into the building. And the another advantage of cladding in the structural members is the cladding is made up of porous material, bricks which absorbs the rain during the rainfall and subsequently it dries out. That is one of the advantage. If the cladding is made of porous material, it will absorb the rain and it also drains out. The water could hardly penetrate into the building given that the cladding is of sufficient thickness with low permeability. That means the water will not penetrate into the building if the cladding material is having a sufficient thickness with less permeability. These are the two advantages of the cladding. Hope you understood the definition. That the definition is very simple. The cladding is the external layer of the building which provides the aesthetic effect and also some of the engineering benefits. Okay, that is about this cladding. Cladding can serve both a decorative and a functional purpose. It is used to complement the architectural style of the building while also offering the protection from the rain, wind, snow and other outside elements. That is the definition of cladding. Why this cladding is needed? What is the requirement of cladding? Cladding Cladding creates a controlled internal environment. Cladding protects the building from external conditions. Cladding provides a privacy and security to the building. Cladding prevents the transmission of sound from one room to the another room or else from one structure to the other structure. And this cladding provides thermal insulation and the cladding creates an external facade aesthetic appearance. Cladding prevents the spread of fire. Fire can be controlled. And cladding generate an airtight building envelope. Cladding provides openings for access of daylight and ventilation. These are all the cladding requirement. Why the cladding is required? These are all the requirements of cladding. These are all the advantages you can see. The next is properties of cladding materials. What are the properties of cladding materials? Is the cladding material, it should be impermeable and then it should be durable and it should have resistance to heat, cold and rain. And the cladding material should be light in weight. It should not add dead load to the structure. Cladding material should maintain color for a long period of time. The cladding material should be available in different designs and shades as per the requirement. Cladding material should be capable of hiding poor workmanship and inferior materials. The cladding material can be easily fixed to all walls with suitable additives or mortar. Cladding material should be heat resistant and fire resistant. The cladding material used for internal walls should be soundproof. These are all some of the properties of cladding materials. Hope you have understood the cladding materials. The next is types of cladding materials. Which are the different types of cladding? There are two types: the interior cladding and the exterior cladding. In the interior cladding, you will be coming with this timber cladding, PVC cladding, stone cladding, back painted glass cladding, ceramic cladding, wallpaper cladding. These are all some of the interior claddings. The exterior cladding is terracotta cladding, the one which you have in your syllabus. We'll discuss later on that one. The next is stone cladding, metal cladding, stick frame cladding, curtain wall, that is glass cladding, fiber cement cladding, brick cladding. These are all the different exterior cladding. Here you can see the timber cladding, which is an interior cladding, which is a look which is used for the aesthetic appearance, and it can be painted of your own color, of your own choice color. This is the interior cladding, which is made of timber. This is the PVC cladding, which is made of polyvinyl chloride, that is plastic wall cladding, which is also an interior cladding. It looks great. It is a long lasting, low maintenance, provides that, and it is a moisture resistant and can be used in wet areas. The next is stone wall cladding, which is also an interior cladding. The next is ceramic cladding, which is also an interior cladding which resists the changes in temperature and atmospheric attack from pollution, acid rain, smog. And it is available in different colors and style, and it is a long lasting. This ceramic cladding is one of the you can see this in the kitchens and all. That is made of the wall, which is made of ceramic cladding, and even in bathrooms and all. The next is wallpapers, which is an interior cladding. The next is exterior cladding. What is this exterior cladding? The walls which are the exterior walls which are made of the cladding material can be defined as exterior cladding. It is a great way to brighten up the outside to give a aesthetic appearance to the structure, and it is available in different materials, and it can be used to transform a blend and pouring brickwork into a major feature in the landscape. What are the different types of exterior cladding? This is the one of the cladding, that is aluminum cladding can be made, metal cladding, aluminum cladding or copper cladding can be made as an exterior cladding. The next is stone cladding, the walls which are made of stones, outside walls, that is stone cladding, and even you can give granite cladding and all. The next is brick cladding. The bricks, high superior quality of bricks are going to be used for the purpose of cladding. The next is timber cladding. Timber cladding, which is the timber is used for the cladding purpose. The next is curtain wall cladding, that is glass cladding. You might have seen this so many structures which are made, the exterior walls which are covered with glass. The last one is terracotta cladding. It's one of the important cladding what you have in your syllabus. Here in the terracotta cladding, the natural clay based tiles factory extruded and kiln dried are provided on the exterior walls to provide a durable cladding product. Color is created by adding specific dyes. Your own color can be made. custom and shapes is also possible. That means that shapes of the tiles can also be altered as per your requirement. And this terracotta is the material which is eco-friendly and 100% natural, and it is an alternative to brick cladding, and it gives a smooth look to the structure. And this terracotta cladding is a non-flammable, and it is having high resistance to fire, and it is often seen in modern as well as heritage buildings. You will be knowing what is the we will be knowing brief in detail about this terracotta cladding. Is coming to this, what is this terracotta cladding? Terracotta cladding Terracotta cladding is made of terracotta tiles. The terracotta tiles are manufactured with the natural clay without any other chemicals, which are fired at high temperatures. As in the case of bricks, as the bricks are manufactured with the clay, in the same way the terracotta tiles can also be manufactured, can be made with the help of natural raw clay, which has and then this terracotta cladding is an architectural cladding material that provides certain degree of thermal insulation and weather resistance while creating an aesthetically pleasing facade. Yeah, including this aesthetical appearance, it also provides the thermal insulation to the building to certain degrees. That is the that is the definition of terracotta cladding. The next is advantages of terracotta cladding. The first advantage is durability and long lasting. And I told the terracotta cladding is made of natural clay and water. Here, when the terracotta cladding is properly designed and installed properly, its lifespan is much longer than that of aluminium panels or fiber cement facades, and the color of the terracotta cladding lasts for a long time without fading. That is one of the advantage of this terracotta cladding. The next is energy savings and thermal benefits. This terracotta ventilated cladding system provides you the better thermal performance than the conventional masonry cavity walls. The use of this terracotta reduces the direct exposure of the sun to the building, then therefore it reduces the energy consumption and provides the comfort to the interior space of the structure. That is one of the advantage of terracotta cladding. The next is low maintenance cost. Is the surface of terracotta cladding is not likely to be dusty. It can be easily power washed, that is, it can be easily washed with the water spray for every 2 to 3 years, and afterwards it looks as it's in original color. And this terracotta cladding system does not use any sealants, and therefore it reduces the need to maintain the joints also. The maintenance cost is very much less when compared to other type of cladding in case of terracotta cladding. The next is safety, eco-friendly and sustainability. And the terracotta cladding is having high resistance to fire, therefore you can say it as a safe cladding material. And the next is as I told, the terracotta cladding is made of 100% clay, which is environmental friendly, and therefore you can say it is harmless to the humans and environment. Safety and eco-friendly is told. The next is sustainability. The terracotta cladding can also be recycled and reused as a new exterior wall material or as a building material. That is sustainability. These are all the advantages of terracotta cladding. Hope you have understood. It's very simple. Its durability, it's long lasting, energy savings, thermal benefits, low maintenance cost, safety, eco-friendly and sustainability. These are all the advantages of terracotta cladding. The next is property of terracotta tiles. What are the properties of terracotta tiles? Is the glazing property of the terracotta makes it suitable for many other uses. For instance, for tableware and sanitary piping requires the terracotta tiles that are glazed. The terracotta has insulating properties which shields the structure from the extreme weather conditions while offering a soothing, pleasant, and healthy atmosphere. And these terracotta tiles embody damp proofing properties which prevent the rainwater from making its way into the building or structure. Furthermore, these comes in rich range of shapes, colors, patterns, and lengths. The terracotta tiles can be manufactured as per the requirement of the designer or the structurer. These are all the properties of terracotta tiles. Hope you have understood the terracotta cladding. In this session, we learned the definition of cladding and the purpose of cladding and the properties of cladding materials. The next is types of cladding. It is interior cladding and exterior cladding. In detail, we learned about this terracotta cladding. What is this terracotta cladding and the advantages of terracotta cladding and the properties of this terracotta tiles. Hope you have understood this terracotta cladding. I'll be playing a small video. Please go through this video. Yes. Thank you so much for watching this session.